Really nice to have you all join us today. I think almost for me, I think it's understanding why you would even want to do digital marketing in the first place, and particularly what our courses offer. And I think what any one of our, very much the five, so there's four of them that are up here, but we've also got the introduction to digital marketing, and I'll take you through them briefly, kind of in a bit more detail. But every single one of the five courses really starts to unpack the value that that digital marketing gives us, an understanding of what makes digital marketing unique, understanding your customer, because for me, it's one of the most important things that we need to do as marketers and people responsible for building brands and building strong connections, is going, how do we connect with people and how do we understand what it is that they want? And then how do we build meaningful connections where they get value? And it's one of those things that you keep on harping on about, and you see it coming through in every single one of our courses, this whole notion of value exchange. And then also understanding very much what makes digital different and what are the unique opportunities that digital marketing starts to offer us and offer me as a marketer in terms of that process of building brands that matter, brands that resonate, and brands that ultimately grow with our customers. And I think that's so critically important. So if we just look at it and going initially, just taking you through the different opportunities that you have with us, our flagship course, and we do call it our flagship course because it's the one that we are best known for, is our 10-week digital marketing course. And this gives you an opportunity to really understand the digital landscape and to start to actually implement some of those learnings. So it's very detailed. It takes you through a great opportunity, and as with every single one of our courses, to not just listen and learn, but to actually do. And we pride ourselves on our level of interaction and our level of feedback and opportunity to let you know if you're on the right track, and to guide you towards the right track if you aren't. So we started off with this flagship, and then from there have realized that we needed to create other opportunities from there. So we've got the introduction to digital marketing, which is a 6-week course. So this just gives you a basic introduction. It's very much about learning and understanding. When you get into the flagship, it's about learning, understanding, and doing. And then the professional course, which we decided to then notch it up another level, is the learning, understanding, doing, and then ultimately mastering, because that's what you're looking to do. And typically, your professional certification are people who've actually worked within the space, who really understand the language, they've implemented campaigns of their own, and they're now looking to take their career and their knowledge up to the next level. We often find that people within the professional certification have been involved in one area of digital because there's a mass array from search marketing, advertising, social media, user experience, design, or content marketing, all of these different areas that make up this vast array of digital. And typically somebody might have come in on one side and is looking to upskill themselves across the full length. We've also got our accredited programs. We've got a 1-year national certificate in advertising that specializes in digital marketing. And this also is an amazing opportunity to really get a certification. It comes at an NQF level 5, where we divide your learning into 4 key modules over the year and take you through a learning path that is quite extensive, that encompasses all areas of digital, as well as other elements around managing teams, managing projects. And then our 2-year advanced diploma in digital marketing, which is absolutely amazing. It was the first of its kind, is really revolutionary in terms of giving you an advanced diploma. So that comes at an NQF level 7, taking you through everything within digital. And again, we look here at not just understanding and implementing digital marketing techniques, but also looking at, relationship building, all of these different elements and kind of project management, all of these tools to make an effective marketer. And then with absolutely everything that we do, it's underpinned by something that we hold very dear and say are very important, which are critical skills. It's not really soft skills, it's critical skills, because that makes us uniquely human. And it's something that underpins every single one of our courses, every single one of our approaches, because it's in that way that we believe we become more effective marketers, we become more effective communicators, and ultimately we get to implement all of the digital learning that we've got.